Hare Krishna. This is the second lesson of Splash Mridanga Learning. Today we are going to be learning Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta Ti Ti Da. So this is an advanced version of what we learned last time, which was Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta Ta. So this is how it sounds like. Ke ti ge dha ge dha dha da ti ri da. Ke ti ge dha ge dha dha da ti ri da. So in the difference is in the end when you play ta, instead of playing ta you play ta ti ri da. So let's start. So there is three, when you divide it into three parts. So in this there's three parts, and then it's like ke ti ge dha. That's the first part. Then ge dha dha. That's the second part. So we know all of that, and then so today we are going to be adding some more in the third part. So all what you have to learn is a new third part, but in the end I'm going to teach another type of first and second part, so you can learn that too if you want. So the end part, how you play is like it's only on the right side, so it's like ta ti ri ta. So in this the re is like so when you play the open ta, the re is like a closed ta. You just don't bounce it, you just leave it there. So it is going to be ta. So it's going to be ta, ti, then ti ri ta. So ta, ti ri ta. So again, ta, ti ri ta. Ta, ti ri ta. So you can keep practicing that, and you can go like ta ti ri ta, ta ti ri ta, ta ti ri ta, ta ti ri ta, ta ti ri ta. A little bit faster. Ta ti ri ta, ta ti ri ta, ta ti ri ta. And then a little bit faster. Ta ti ri ta, ta ti ri ta. The fastest you might be needing in the kirtan is it might be like ta ti ri ta. So you can practice and you can get to that speed, and then add it all up, and then you will be able to play ke ti ge dha dha ta ti ri ta. Now you can play that on the kirtan. So I'm going to do one small one. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. can practice that. And then, so we are going to learn a Ti high. So again, the Ti high means like it's the Ti high is the end part. So when you end it, when you end the mantra, like when it is like Hare Rama, Hare Rama. So when it is like Rama Rama Hare, then there's a special mantra that you play over there. So last time we had learned Kheta Kheta Ja, Kheta Kheta Ja, Kheta Kheta Ja, and you can play that in different versions. Like you can do Kheta Kheta Ja, Dha, Kheta Kheta Dha, Kheta Kheta Dha, or you can do it in the advanced version of that. So today we're going to be learning the another advanced version that I was accidentally playing in there because that's what I usually play. So it sounds like so what you really play on the right side is only, so it's like tita 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 tita. So that's 6 times in the whole the Ti high, and then here you play. So when you go, so all what you play here is you only play Khe Dha Dha, Khe Dha Dha, Khe Dha Dha. So when you add that all together, first is Ti, then you play Khe. Actually, no, not Khe, Kha. So Kha is like a Ta and Khe. So you play Ti Kha, and then you play Ge Dha. So it's Ge, the 4-finger open one, and then Dha is 4-finger open here, and 1 finger Da over here, Da. So it's like and then you can make that more advanced by making it like so like I did double Ks, like, or you can also do no, like in the third one you can go like double K, or also some people go like, and then the last one is like, or sometimes some people do like, no, I mean, sorry. So you can do any of those. And then the last part, I said that we are going to be learning like in the first and second part of Kha Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha. So that part, so again the first part is Kha Ti Ge Dha, and the second part is Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha. You can go to my first lesson to watch that. So for making that more advanced, you can play like, so when you play Kha Ti Ge Dha, in that part you can go like, yeah, so you can make that a little bit more advanced by doing Kha, it's the Da and then the Khe, Kha Ti Ge Dha. So you can do Kha Ti Ge Dha, Kha Ti Ge Dha, or even like once, Kha Ti Ge Dha. I prefer like doing, because that makes like it just sounds better for me. So it can be like, and then that's the first part, and then you do everything same over here, and then in the second part you go like, instead of playing Ge, all of those over here, and Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha, So instead of playing ta ta the whole time, you can go like like gay and t together, and you can make like a gi, and then you'll play gi dha gi dha dha. So it will be from this way. It will be like gi dha dha gi dha dha gi dha dha. Or also you can go like ti ge dha. So you can do ti ge dha dha. So like ti ge dha dha. It will just be a little more faster. And so it's like ti ge dha dha. Ti ge dha dha, and you can play da ti 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 da. So it will sound like this. No, wait, that's the wrong one. Yeah, so you add all of those up together, and then you will make the mantra. It will sound like that's how it will sound like. And yeah, so that's it. And then yeah, so that's the end of lesson 2 from Splash Mridanga Learning. Hare Krishna. That's the end of the second lesson. Hare Krishna.